Hello, my name is David Bess. My team members are Austin Deering-Allen, Charles Brant-Stec, and Tim Boudreaux. During our time at Codeup over the last 6 months, we have honed our skills and it has accumulated into our full-stack application project, CounterTop. In this work-from-home environment, it's important to eat healthy and not rely on takeout. We created CounterTop to help motivate and get people interested in home cooking. What is CounterTop? A full-stack Java web application created using Spring Boot that allows users to register an account, create and post recipes with integration of the FileStack API, leave comments on other recipes, and search through recipes that other users have uploaded, as well as recipes from the Spoonacular API. My role in this project was setting up the registration and authentication using Spring Security, helping set up the Spoonacular API and dynamic front-end features such as the navbar and styling, as well as database design. My teammate Charles will now walk you through the homepage navigation.
Hi, my name is Charles Brant-Stec, and my primary roles in our project were the creation of the database on the back end, management of our site's layout and design, and the implementation of the FileStack API for the uploading of images by the user for creating a recipe and adding or editing their user profile photo. Welcome to our homepage. Upon visiting our site's homepage, the user is greeted by a few editorialized picks of the week to pique their interest. If a user likes what they see on the homepage, or if they are looking for something else, they could check out the recipes page that contains all of the recipes. Maybe they find something they want to cook via the search functionality. They can then select a recipe to view the instructions, ingredients, and user comments. What if they then wanted to upload their own dessert recipe for apple cake that their grandma used to make, a fond memory from their childhood? Our user would then navigate to the sign-up page where they would create an account with a valid email address, username, password, add a profile image of their choice using the FileStack API, and be notified of any errors for invalid or mismatching fields via custom error pages. But for brevity's sake, we won't create a new account from scratch right now, but we will use one that we have already pre-made for presentation purposes. Now Tim will take over and talk about the user page and what a user can do once they're signed in.
Thank you, Charles. Hi, I'm Tim Boudreaux. In addition to back-end work on the repositories, I was also responsible for designing the user profile page views. The user can change his password to a new password by first confirming the old password and then entering a new password. The user can update their username and email address and also their date of birth. For brevity, we will only update the profile photo. I'm going to pass it to Austin to go into depth on the recipe creation process.
My name is Austin Deering-Allen, and I'm responsible for the back-end functionality, such as creating and searching recipes, retrieving individual recipes, favoriting recipes, leaving comments, and integrating the Spoonacular API. Now that we have an account, we can go ahead and submit my grandma's special recipe.
Once we submit this recipe, the data we've input into the view gets sent to a backend controller that handles all things related to recipes and creates a new recipe that gets saved to the database. With the recipe now saved, we get redirected to the All Recipes page. Just like on the home page, we can search through our recipes with the search bar. Let's find the recipe we just submitted. The recipe page we select will show the title of the recipe, who created it, an image associated with it, other featured recipes, all ingredients involved, the description, instructions, and a field where you can leave comments. User recipes aren't all we can find. We can also find recipes from the Spoonacular API and see what those recipes are all about, as well as the ability to favorite them or leave comments on them. Now, I'll hand it back to David.
As you can see, CounterTop brings a lot of different recipes to the dinner table. To hire some developers who always bring everything they have to offer, please consider reaching out by viewing the About Us page. Thank you, and we can't wait to see what recipes you'll create.